What's up, guys? Coming at you today. I just finished up work. I'm going to pick up my daughter at school, and then my other daughter, and then my other two sons. I do have some exciting news coming, so stay tuned here in this vlog. I'm going to explain some stuff happening here, trying to get some more creating going on here and utilizing resources and other people to get some ideas and hopefully grow the community. Stay tuned. Getting the car washed. Here it comes. Ooh. Gotta fit stuff in here and there. Prioritize time when I had a few minutes before picking up my oldest daughter, right? Now comes the cotton candy stuff. What?
It looks like rainbow.
It does. Check out the purple.
That here's purple.
I do ask you guys to like and subscribe to this, please. I'm trying to build a community up. Ooh, I'm home now. Yay! I was taking, you can see I got my backpack on. I was taking photos today at the baseball game, so I was trying to take photos the last couple games. I'll share them out with the team, but don't forget to check out me on Instagram. You can find the link in the description below. I will probably post a few pictures on there too. I got a whole bunch of pictures on there though, so check me out anyways. Follow me. I always use followers. Again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this. One thing I know going along with this in the beginning, I always feel weird asking for subscribers, but that's what I need to do. I guess in the beginning I'm asking for subscribers. Actually share me out. I only have so many people on my social media. I got Twitter too. Check me out on Twitter. I'm going to try to get more active on that. I never have really been that active on it, but I am trying to get there. I know I need to. Other than that, I am going to try to do more little videos, throw stuff out there. I would love to eventually get to daily, but I don't think I can do it right now with everything going on. And I almost think, I don't want to make it sound like I'm making an excuse though, because everybody's busy. I'm going to try to do as much as I can to get stuff out there, but I also I want to put quality stuff out there. That's where I have maybe you guys can help me out here. I don't know if the quality versus quantity. What should I put out there? Maybe it depends on the video. Give me some ideas. I'm learning as I go along with this. But other than that, I think I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go relax a little bit, and I'm gonna try to get some sleep. No Small Creators is going. Thanks for staying. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, bell, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.